big church in Angeles City. No, thank you. Thank you. This place for buy and sell. Shira use. Jollibee.
We have 5 available units, condo units. We have
Hi. Many students going to Jeepney. So this is center of downtown of Angeles City. Oh, and this place, so many people, maybe popular. Yeah, what's good?
We open on July only.
Ah, oh, it's new in July.
New one, yeah.
Ah, can I see menu?
Yeah, sure.
And here pancake house also. But this working until 5 p.m. Hi. Hi everyone. Now November 5, Wednesday. And now I am in the center of Angeles City, in downtown Angeles City. It's a place called San Nicolas. Now I am in the parking, Pure Gold Angeles parking, and I will walk around center of Angeles City today for you. Also, what I want to say about weather, very good weather. Don't have typhoon, maybe have typhoon in the Philippines. It's Cebu flooded, but Angeles, Pampanga, rain little bit only. Nighttime sometimes rain, not strong wind, don't have so strong wind. So good weather. So typhoon only maybe in the south of the Philippines, not here, not in the Luzon, not part of this place. So it's good weather. We always walking every day with Shira in the park, CDC park. Even yesterday we walk, don't have rain, we walk very good. Come back to home only maybe 11 or midnight, starting little bit rain. So good weather now, don't worry. Philippines is big country. Some of parts have rain, typhoon. Some of parts is good. So Angeles is okay. So I will walk now in the center of Angeles. But of course I take umbrella. I always take umbrella because I know maybe even little bit rain is also not good for my camera. For me it's okay, but my camera is not waterproof. Some of people asking about what camera you use. I use Pocket 2. Usually I use Pocket 2 because a small camera. I already changed battery. I like more than Pocket 3. But I waiting Action 6 camera. I will buy Action 6 because I already sold out my Action 3 camera. That's why I waiting only new camera. Maybe November, December. That's why I don't have action video. So this is Pure Gold. I going downstairs. Have music of course here. Take a look. Promo, you see promo here. You can, what you want to buy with the discount. Promo. How much rice now? 49. Rice, sugar, chicken. Багаж counter. It's good working escalator because sometimes not working. Now 4 p.m. in the Philippines. So I go into this side. Direction to the church, big church in Angeles City. Some of people already want finish work. That's why they going to home. Jeepney full now. This is parking, entrance parking, pure gold parking. And this is San Nicolas market, it's public market. Have many videos. And this is shopping center, this is cheapest shopping center. You can buy cheaper sometimes than in the market. Fruits. Take a look, this is half kilo only. Half kilo. This is parking for this is shopping center. Better parking the pure gold. Better parking. System Plus College. This is System Plus. No, thank you. Thank you. Delicious, but sugar, I not eat now. I don't want sugar. No, I don't have any problem with sugar. I check always blood, not problem. But I don't want. I am not young, and after 50 years, better not eat sugar. This is way also to San Nicolas market. And these people going to Pandan. Jeepney going to Pandan, this one. This jeepney going to Pampang. You see, Villa Pampang. Another jeepney stop. For Christmas decoration everywhere you can buy. This place always with noisy music. So many subwoofer two side of the street. This one is they sell speakers. So, but today it's good way not to use. And here also. Oh, this is closed for discount. Watch repair. One battery change in the watch, it's 100 peso. I already changed before. But usually I bought in the China battery and change battery myself.
Hey, what's up? Welcome to the Philippines.
Thank you. You see, people very kind here. It's not Balibago. I use camera, I hold in my hand, I not hide camera. Even in Balibago I walk, I not hide camera. So everyone can see me with camera, and if who don't like, they can say to me, please blur face or cut video. I always blur who don't like. Some of people say bad words. In comment they say, oh fuck, like this, you don't want, you not need to take video in the Philippines. But you cannot see these comments because YouTube block these comments with bad comments. I can see only comment in only me. I can see. Here it's buy and sell cell phones also. This place for buy and sell. It's like same in marketplace, you can buy. So many phones. But I try to sell my phones. I have so many phones. My old phones. Some of phones I give to Shira. Shira use. Shira always change phones. But I have 2 iPhones. Of course Shira don't want to use 2 iPhones. That's why I try to sell, but not easy. Genera Grand Mall. I don't know, clothes. Only clothes with parts. Okay, I will walk here first. Pedestrian line, tricycle interesting. No, they not want to stop. They not want to give way. This is Jollibee. Jollibee takeout. Yeah, Christmas already for Jollibee. See, this one, 24 hours. 24 hours you can take Jollibee. 48 days before Christmas. Business as usual. Yes, it's business as usual, you see. This is pedestrian line, but some of drivers don't want to give way to pedestrian. Dunkin. Office. New barber shop. In Genera Mall inside. Barber shop. Jollibee. Guys, you see, this is Nepa Mall. You go into Nepa Mall is straight. But this way, going to church. Big church, I will show to you now. We go into church, big church in the Angeles City. I not use microphone, wireless microphone, because Pocket 2 I cannot add microphone, wireless. Oh, interesting name. 1000 cc coffee takeout. 1000 cc. 70 peso. Americano, 70 peso only. Another coffee shop. Figaro. This coffee shop. I don't know. Good afternoon.
If you were looking for commercial and condo unit, we have here in Veloce Tower.
But maybe next time, because I don't want it cold for me in aircon.
See, sir, I can give you my
Okay, I can.
card.
No, I will take video maybe. So you sales or rent?
Rent to own, sir.
Rent.
Yes,
Okay,
If
okay.
you have friends or family that we're looking for tenants here. Or
So in this building, yes?
Yes, sir.
Oh, good. How many floors this building?
We have 12 floors here.
12 floors.
Yes, we have 5 available units, condo units. We have one 3-bedroom unit on 7th floor, and we have on 11th floor we have 4 units, 2 bedrooms.
How
And
much?
on,
How much one
ranging
rent?
for 12 million, sir, for 2 bedrooms.
2 bedroom.
Yes, sir. And the 3 bedrooms ranging from 20 million.
Okay, okay. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. He said merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup. I don't know, he don't know my channel, but maybe I look like France, but not, because I am half Russian. My mother is from Siberia. My father from France. But I don't know how I am looking. This is another gate to Nepa Mall. This is Nepa Mall, another gate. And this side, this is the oldest restaurant. I already filming Kamalik. This is restaurant, it's Kamalik restaurant, good restaurant. I want to visit this restaurant with Shaira. Have parking, maybe evening, not easy to park, but of course not weekend. Kamalik, yeah, this is Kamalik restaurant.
Hi, sir.
Hi.
Sir, I'll give you a business card.
This. I already filming here already. Thank you. Thank you. So this is downtown of Angeles City. Students now finish school. That's why many students going to jeepney or bus station. Usually jeepney. Oh, what is this? Supermarket. Lil Johnny supermarket. Lil Johnny, no, Little Johnny. So we're going straight to church. This is bookstore, and I don't know arcade what name. Not easy for me to Manuel's or Manuel. Please comment if who know. I don't know name. And this area many flowers. You can buy flowers in this area. This is the oldest parts Angeles City. Another side of the street is you can see so many flower shop. See. Delton Clinic also. And some of asking us about how to order in flower shop. You can watch our video, have contacts, have phone numbers and Facebook page. You can message directly to the flower shop and ask. This is biggest church. Sunday so many people. Maybe last video you already watch. Yes. You can read. So this is center of downtown of Angeles City. It's also in Tagalog language. You can translate, who know. If you want to go to the SM Telebastagan, you go straight. This is direction. Or San Fernando. Another road to San Fernando is MacArthur Highway. This is connect road to MacArthur Highway. Okay, we're going to the another side of the street, of pedestrian line. Jos Aban Santos. This is museum. Museum in Angeles City. Now open. And now we continue walk in Angeles. This is center of downtown of Angeles City. Angeles City, you see.
Hello, sir. Tourism, sir. You want to buy Filipino product? Only?
No, thank you. Sweet I cannot eat. What is this? Souvenirs. Museum. Oh, and this place, so many people. Maybe popular. Yeah, only one popular is here. Another, I don't know, not popular. What they, yes, in the Philippines they like this food. Hi. And here not popular, I don't know why.
Yes, sir. We can serve for the book. Yes, sir.
So I want ask if you, but why so many people waiting with foods? It's popular foods in the Philippines, yeah?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. They like the
Street foods.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. This bibinka, 85 peso. I tried before. And this already mega saver is. You can buy gadget also. Another side, library. You see about this road. If I drive car or motorcycle, this road cannot faster. But of course, faster not need drive, but okay, slowly, and you can. But some of motorcycle try to faster. Print service. Here so many print service. This print service, another so many print service. Because it's university near. Already a little bit cloudy, but it's okay. Don't have rain. Good weather. Not hot, not cold. Also printer available inside. Uncle John. Usually many people inside in Uncle John. So many students here, so many. Because Holy Angels University here. That's why many students in this road. This is flower. So many. 5 days ago we busy because it's so many people need to buy flowers for cemetery. Bookstore. This is I can show to you this contact number and this also. You can see contact number and can call and order. Also Gmail have phone number. Yeah, many flowers here. Donuts so many, because Philippine people like sweet. I like also, but I cannot now. McDonald's. Oh, parking inside have. Hi. Sometimes I park here also. Yes. Just pay for security guard, it's okay, not problem. Not problem to park here.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, thank you. Rio Street Coffee. Oh, I never been. Where Rio Street Coffee? Maybe this? Yeah, this way Rio Street Coffee. Okay, I will check. I never been inside. Okay, we can check. Coffee shop. Third floor or second floor, I don't know. Good afternoon. Where coffee shop, Rio Street Coffee? This is already, okay. Not problem filming, not problem video. Okay, thank you. This is Rio Street Coffee. You see. Cannot use... yeah, no entry. You can buy inside and you can sit outside. You see, so many chairs, tables. Okay, I will show to you inside. Rio Street Coffee. Yeah. Oh, aircon here. Aircon not good for you. Oh, for me, not for you, of course. For me, aircon not good. You see, comfortable here. Yeah. Good afternoon. Not problem. Okay, thank you. I never been. I just only walk always here, but never been here.
Yeah, really, yes.
Oh, it's good.
We open on July only.
Oh, it's
Yeah,
new in
it's
July.
new one, yeah.
Can I see menu?
Yeah, sure.
I want to show to
Yeah, sure.
our subscribers.
Yeah, sure. How about it, sir?
Okay, thank
Want
you.
to sit here or...
No. I just want to take video menu. This is menu. Excuse me. Open from what time and until
Starting at 8 a.m. until
From-
11 p.m.
until what?
11 p.m., sir.
11 p.m.
Yeah.
Oh, it's good place because it's very close road and can sit outside also. Very good. Okay.
From, sir.
I'm from Mabalakat, but I was born in Russia.
Oh, yes, sir.
Yes.
Welcome here, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. I will come back with my wife next
Yes,
time.
Sir, next time. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
So good. New coffee shop.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. I will come back. Good coffee shop.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. Really, I like, but only aircon because I walk. If I walk, I'm wet little bit. Guys, if I'm not wet, I can sit here, but I'm little bit wet. It's not good for my health. I need only, if I dry, it's okay. I can sit and if I aircon. But if I'm wet, I cannot. Sorry. Okay, we continue to walk in Angeles City. Yeah, now time, I will check, it's 4:38. 4:38 now. And here Pancake House also. We have parking. Yeah, this is Rio Street Coffee Shop in this building. Yes. Snacks also. But this working until 5 p.m. Okay, we continue walk in the center of Angeles City. They also have Starbucks, Kamalik restaurant. This is Starbucks. And Nepa Mall also. This is entrance to Nepa Mall. I already showed to you. In the front you can see Genera Grand Mall. We already come back. Bike shop, LA. Los Angeles or what? LA before my company's name of Leonauto. Also LA. Here is also coffee shops. I already filming before. And they have also apartments. Here have apartments. Apartments, coffee shops. Upstairs also. Gadgets also you can buy. Original phones from Hong Kong, Japan, US, Canada, Taiwan, Philippines. Original phones for Philippines, I don't know. I don't know name of Philippines phones. But they don't have Chinese. Okay. Chocolate. Also many shops here. Center of Angeles City. 1000 cc coffee. Only motorcycle parking. And with 25 seats. I don't know what is 25 seats. Parking also have. Oh, dog. No, I don't want to go inside. I don't know, maybe dog is not wild, but I'm scared because I don't know about this dog. But looks good. But better not try. Also gadgets. Oh, we can copy case also from the car. Okay, I will know now. This way is, I don't know, clothes shops. Second-hand shop, clothes. Pull hub also. Key duplicate also here. Barber shop. Vape shop also. Also cell phone repair. Hi. You see people kind here, they want to talk. It's not Balibago. Balibago always to say bad words to me if see camera. But here you can see, it's good, no problem. Okay, maybe I will, don't have cars, I will walk. Yeah. And we're going to the Nepa Mall. Time now 4:43. Soon I need to go home because I need prepare for Clark. Every day we're going to CDC Park with Shira for jogging. I walk now It's not jogging. It's slowly walk show to you, Angeles. If jogging need more speed. Yeah, many students, you see, many. Salaninpa school. Guys, who understand Tagalog, please in comment. Explain to us what is this, how to translate. Of course, Shira can translate, but I'm alone now. I don't know Tagalog. I know simple words in Tagalog only. This is entrance to Nepa Mall. And this bridge connecting Nepa Mall to another mall. I forgot name again. I always forgot name of this mall. Okay, thank you. Yeah, this is Nepa Mall. Catalina Street. Catalina Street name. Watson. Buy one, take one. 350. What is this? Shampoo for children, for baby. Okay, I will go into my car, parking my car. Because now heavy traffic and I need maybe 1 or 1.5 hour going to the home. Because I live in Mabalacat city. From Angeles with heavy traffic it's not easy. This 5-6 p.m. heavy traffic from Angeles, but I need to come back to home in Mabalacat. Maybe I will use another road, maybe not, because sometimes in same time, minimum 1 hour. Coffee, Zeus coffee. Buy one, take one maybe, I don't know. Thank you for watching. I go to the home now and see you next video. Take a look, heavy traffic to Mabalacat from Angeles. Take a look, this car.